you.
Siyempre, mag-cheesecake tayo.
Yep.
Guarantee.
Yes, sir. Guys, the sun is shining. So ayan, tapos na kami sa lunch date namin. Thank you. So, mamaya susundin na namin yung mga bata. Kain tayo dito sa Max's, guys.
Hey, crispy butter. Guys, Mac's restaurant started in 1945.
Wow.
That was like 70 years ago.
Hey guys, it's Juby. Welcome back to the channel. And today, punta tayo sa 5, sa Tesla 5. Kasi papagawa natin si Tesla. Ayan yung, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, sa windshield. Ayan yung papagawa natin. Yung may, nagkaroon kasi ng chip yung windshield natin. So, dadalhin natin siya today sa Tesla. And papagawa natin siya. Sana mabilis lang. So, yeah guys, let's go to 5. Parang kailan lang dito kami nag-road test ni Tesla Model Y and Model 3. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Tesla. Let's go.
Delivery check na yun naman. Add-on service.
Cybertruck.
Behind the what?
The blue car.
Oh, behind the blue car. Ano?
That's our Tesla, guys. Madumi lang siya kasi hindi pa kami nakapag-car wash. Naman yung dumi niya, oh. Kailan kaya natin siya maka-car wash? We'll see. Ayan yung chip, guys. So,
Oh, chip.
ano kasi ng bato.
Chip lang eh. Diba?
Kasi chip lang.
Chip lang, mura lang yun.
Ayan. Titignan pa daw nila if it's repairable. I hope it is. But I think it is. So, yan. Ang dumi talaga ng sasakyan, no? Oh my gosh. Ang dumi. Cybertruck, guys. Very nice.
Ang ganda ng seats, ha?
Ayan, ganda ng seats.
Tayo ka sa loob. Parang jeep, no?
May screen din pala dito. Ganda.
Mahulog ka, ha?
Taas pala. Thank
Hindi
you.
bagay sa'yo. Taas?
Ang taas. Ganda. Matutuwa si Choy Choy dito. Oh. Sa screen, oh. Yeah, tutuwa dito yung mga bata.
Katalim mo. Katalim mo muna.
Yeah.
Ano, nasugat ka ba?
Yan, tapos na ang ating Tesla, guys. Let's see the windshield.
Yay! It's fixed!
Guys, bili tayong barbecue for dinner later. Nandito na tayo sa Seafood City.
City of seafood. Ate, apat na pork.
Yep.
That's okay.
Apa. Thank you po. Hi.
Parang malaki ito niya.
Hindi naman. Oh yeah, okay lang.
250.
250. May extra na, di ba? 25 off. Let's see. Hi guys, we're here at Abercrombie. And tingin lang ako ng jeans for Ate Hailey. And sakto merong extra 20% off. Happy Saturday, guys! Hi! Pa-surprise si Daddy. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Walang surprise.
Saan ba tayo punta?
Secret.
Diyan lang ang tabi-tabi.
Secret.
Only me and Dad can tell each other, except for
For us girls.
Ate and you.
Aww. You should whisper it to my ear, Julie.
No, I don't even know what it is yet.
Yeah, are you excited, Ate?
Alright, what are you guys thinking about?
I don't know. Actually.
Disneyland.
Like cinematic. Cinematic? Cinematic? Hindi ko alam yan ba? I think it's a store with something. Saan ba?
After South Center Mall, Dad.
Huh?
Is it after South Center Mall?
Close to my workplace.
I think we're going now. Ayan. Smile. Smile daw, Chuy.
Smile.
Ano daw? So we're here, guys. First time namin pala lahat dito.
Yeah,
It smells good.
I know. Right there. We're just gonna buy cake. One slice each. Okay?
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, Julie, what do you think? It smells good. How did you know about this place?
Chismis.
Chismis? Sino yung chismis?
Si Christopher Lee.
Wow! That's Travis's.
Sunset.
That's good.
It's good? You like it? Travis's is good.
Can I try?
Yeah. Do you like your first bite?
Is this a salted caramel?
Is it good, Julie?
Really?
Yeah.
You like it?
Sarap yun ang nilay.
I like your confetti.
Yeah.
Joy!
Wait. One more.
Come on. Thank you. Do you like your cake, Joy?
Yeah.
What about yours, ate?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. What about yours, Dad?
Good. Of course, mine is the best one.
Oh, mine's the best one.
No, mine was the best. And we're here at Foot Locker. Ah, very nice.
It was good. You gonna grab the other one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Ganda, no?
Yeah,
I like this one
ganda.
better than the bread fork.
Bagay sa akin. Giwagi, where are you? Ow! Ayan, nag-stop kami sa potato corner. On our way to IKEA.
Yay! 'Cause I know this is the first time.
Travis' favorite song.
Last time. Cause you're always giving me pain.
Oh my gosh, it's so excited si BC. Tingin lang tayo, guys. And titingin akong table. See you. Go. Thank you. Ayan na yung mga nabili natin. Ayan, hintayin lang namin si Daddy.
His name is Eggy. Eggy Weggy.
Handaan lang tayo saglit dito sa Best Buy. Yung gustong tignan tong mga baguettes.
Baguette?
Baguettes.
Like from France?
Yeah. It's chilly.
Oh, you can actually fly.
Ayun,
Look.
gusto ni Travis.
Look.
Nice.
Wait, I can't hear.
Ito naman si ate mo, girl. PS5 ang gusto.
Hi guys.
Whoa.
These are their games. It's bought separately though.
Mhm.
For the Nintendo.
Yeah.
Look, look, this is how you get the enemy. You press Y and then look at the screen. And you just ate it.
Go get the coins. There you go.
That's my song, Joey. You're just copying me.
Gonna see.